You can use the online sales settings to help manage and streamline your sales in your online store. To find your online sales settings, navigate to Online Sales. With an integrated system, your artworks will automatically sync to your website from your database. You can also add other items, such as publications, products, such as gift cards, events, and any discounts. To ensure you are set up correctly, we provide you with a checklist on the right-hand side. In order to edit any of these steps, you can either click Edit here, or you can access the settings on the left-hand side. First, ensure that you connect your Stripe account to process payments from your customers globally. Afterwards, in the currency settings, ensure that the primary currency in the store matches the currency in your items, artworks, publications, etc. You can also give customers the option to purchase products in other currencies, and you can set a conversion fee if applicable. Next, click into the tax settings. The tax rates for artworks are set within Artwork Records. If you have an integrated ArtLogic management system, the tax that displays at checkout will come directly from the tax rate set in the Financial tab of the Artwork Records in your management system. In a standalone website configuration, you can either set a base tax rate for all items or individual rates for publications, products, and events. Artwork Records will either inherit the base tax rate, or you can set a custom rate for individual works in the record editor. Below, you can choose whether to show your prices inclusive or exclusive of tax. You can also change the tax label, customize the note that appears when tax is included or excluded from the price, and you can choose whether to round tax per item. Finally, if you are based in the US or Canada, you can choose to enable automatic US-Canada tax rates using TaxJar. To learn more about the TaxJar integration, please visit our support website. When you are happy with all the tax details, ensure to click Save. The notification settings is where you can set up an email to where you want the notifications to come through, to and from. Furthermore, you can customize the message sent to customers after purchase. Then click Save. To set up your shipping settings, click Shipping Settings on the left-hand side. You have the option to leave all shipping to be arranged in person, or you can set up checkout options based on location and weight. The shipping country and weight of the items will determine which options are available to your customers. Here you have your different shipping zones, and when clicking into them, you can add in your different methods of shipping for your products alongside the different rates with its own weight range. To add a new shipping zone, click New Shipping Zone at the bottom. You can add details such as the zone name and whether you would like to apply tax. By selecting a zone preset, the system automatically selects relevant countries. However, you can choose to select your own applicable countries by checking the boxes you wish. Afterwards, click Save. By clicking into the newly created shipping zone, you can now add a new shipping method. You can choose to limit by product type or include all products. Once chosen, click Save again. You can now enter your shipping method and prices. Please note that the weight used here is in grams. In order to set accurate weight ranges, as an integrated user, you can refer to an artwork's weight in the Location Shipping tab of an artwork record and scroll to the Packing section. For standalone system users, you can view this information in the Artwork Record Editor. Please note that if you have entered a flat shipping price but the weight is not specified, the system will automatically default the weight to 200 grams. Once you have added the shipping methods, ensure to click Save. Alternatively, if you would like to arrange shipping after purchase, create a shipping method that begins at 0 grams with no maximum weight and price applied. Below the shipping zones, there are additional shipping settings. You can enable shipping by Canadian province or U.S. state. Moreover, we add additional measures of security where you can choose whether the shipping and billing address must or do not need to match. Finally, you can choose to calculate the shipping for each item individually or for the combined weight of all items. When you are happy with these settings, please ensure to click Save. Furthermore, you can agree to money laundering protection, if applicable. You can do this by navigating to the payment settings and enabling the money laundering checks. You can also process a test transaction to ensure your store is running smoothly. To do this, please ensure that you have set your store to test mode. Then you can go into your store and process a test payment by going through the payment process steps. Security certificates will automatically attach when your website goes live, and this icon will turn green for you. Completing the steps in this checklist will set up your store so that it is ready for your customers. To view successful orders, navigate to the Completed Orders section on the left-hand side. As this is a test account, we are unable to view completed orders here. However, you can view test orders placed in the Test Orders section. You can see various details such as order number, the date the order was placed, the customer name, and how much the order is for. At the bottom of the screen, you also have the ability to export the data, whether that be by orders or by item. Additionally, you can view any incomplete orders in the Incomplete Orders section. Alternatively, for integrated users, you can also access your complete and incomplete orders in your management system by navigating to Artworks, then Views. Here you can view your unprocessed and processed sales. This concludes our tutorial on how to set up the online store. To learn more about building your perfect website with ArtLogic, watch our videos on the CMS. If you have any further queries, please contact support@artlogic.net or visit our help website for more information.